Hi Wendy, hi Marty, it's Derek Price. I am recording the first of a few tutorial videos for you for your new website. So let's get started, shall we? Okay, you're at our website now, Crusaders Set Free.com, and we're going to scroll down to the bottom left, the very bottom. You see, I'm going to just do a little zooming in here. WordPress admin is where you want to click. And that will take you to your WordPress dashboard. And this is where you do all the back end stuff for your website. What we're going to do right now is create a new post. Do a little moving around here. On the left, you'll see posts, and we're going to add new. So if you want to add a new blog, pastor's blog post, a new news item, this is where you're going to go. The first thing you want to do before you do anything else is put this into a category, and I'm going to put it in the pastor's blog category for the sake of what we're doing here. And you already know what you're going to be posting about, right? So let's add some tags to it. So tags are basically relevant terms to your post and what you're going to be writing about. So obviously you're talking about what's going on at your church, talking about the Lord, talking about motorcycles. Those are just examples. You might have an article about just any topic under the sun, but basically you want tags in here to help people search for what for your content. So if they're looking for what you're offering, then tags will help search engines find them and them to find different things on your site. All right, so I'm zooming back out so you can see where I'm at. You want to add a title, so I'm just going to say sample pastor's blog post, for example. And you can see here we're in our visual editor. That should be the default. If it's not the default, if you don't see all these cool little icons here, probably stuck on the HTML editor, hit the visual tab and you're good to go. The under visual editor is just like any HTML email editor where you have all your styles, bold, italic, strike through, underline. Unordered list, with the bullets and the 1, 2, 3 ordered list. You can copy paste some stuff if you type something up in Word without the formatting. There's all kinds of little gimmicks on here that you can check out, but you probably won't use a lot of them. Anyway, I'm just gonna kind of type in here and show you a few little things. Just gonna write up some sample text here. All right, and I'm going to make the word sample bold, like that. Italics, strike through, underline, going crazy, go nuts, just to be silly. And how about I don't really want to do that. So here's that. I'm going to skip ahead to the next paragraph, and if you want to put headers, like little headings, to break up your article that you're writing, you could say, there's a heading, and highlight that, and then you see where it says paragraph here. You can change that format to, I like to go with heading 3, so you got a heading there, that's about the right size, and then type some more stuff. I'm going to add some media to the blog, specifically a picture. Above your visual editor here you see upload insert to add media, put like MP3s, PDFs, just whatever on here, but we're just going to put a picture just for the sake of keeping it simple. I'm going to select a file off my computer. This is a picture of my band on a desktop. So I'm just going to drop that in there real quick. So this is going on. So there's our picture. and you have to have a title on it. You know, just a quick description of what it is. You know, that's what it is, a band pick. And you're going to want to, whatever you put in title, you want to copy and paste it into the alternate text field. Because some browsers read title, some browsers read alternate text. Just basically in case the picture is not showing up for whatever reason, it's still like got a very short descriptor there. You know, so pretty cool. You know, if you want, you can put a caption in there. So I'm going to put that in there just to kind of show you. This thing in my band, brickhouseblend.com. Can write it right. Brickhouseblend is watching you. Andy, my singer, she's watching you. And you see link URL here. Right now it's linking to the file itself. And I'll explain that here in a second, but like, you know, you could change that and make it link to something else, another website or whatever, or none. You don't have to link it to anything if you don't want to. You can align it, you know, without none. We'll just put it above the text, left, you know, it moves it to the left of the text, center or right, you know, pretty self-explanatory. The cool thing about WordPress is you upload a photo and it automatically makes little, you know, smaller thumbnails for you. So you know, you got 150 by 150, 300 by 200 right here is medium, and then the full size is up there too. So you can put the full size image in if you want to, but I'm going to choose medium for right now, and then you can click on that image to pull up the full size if you want to do that. So we go ahead and insert into the post. So that's done. All right, I'm going to zoom back out. And I would not worry about any of these fields or anything like that underneath this. You just, it's not, you know, there's not really a point to it. A little printer icon there, that's kind of cool. I never noticed that before. It automatically saves as you go. It's pretty cool, but you know, if you just want to save it and come back to it later, I'm going to go ahead and hit save draft up here at the top right. But we're going to preview it so we can see what it's going to look like. So the next, you hit preview and it'll open up a little preview in the tab so you can, you know, kind of figure that out. So there's the title there, see? And then, you know, all the different style things that we did, and there's the picture. See, I hover over it and there's your alt tag or title tag. And caption, pretty cool. People can leave comments if they want to. Kind of neat. I'm going to close this tab out. So you can also, if you want to, you can schedule it to publish later if you really want to do that. You know, but whenever you're done, just hit publish, and you know, you're golden. It's on the website, and it automatically feeds into the Facebook page. Cool stuff. And so then I'm just going to save that for right now. And if you want to go back and edit a post later, go under all posts on the left, and then you can see all the posts. Not a lot there, but anyway. And right from there, I'm actually going to just trash this because I can, and I'm not going to use it for anything. So pretty cool. That's it for now, and your next tutorial I'll be talking about events and some other cool things for you that will help you out. Kind of